back to the channel. Welcome back to Shift Talk TV. I am so excited to have you guys here, and today we are going to be installing the Modifry Products convertible top fix. And this is for the soft top on my 2002 AP1 Honda S2000. I gotta say right off the bat, taking the straps out of the bag, they're really nice material. They're thick, they're elastic and stretchy, so much better than that cheap crap that comes in there directly OEM from Honda. So it's no hop, skip, and a jump to just put these things in. So I'm making a completely separate video, that's gonna be this video, on how to install the convertible top fix kit from Modifry Products. That's a tongue twister. Anyone else tongue twisted by that? Convertible top fix kit, Modifry Products. Modifry. I want to say modify. Weird. But anyways, let's jump right into it. We'll do the removal of the current soft top stuff. We'll go outside. We'll check out the car. We'll put these puppies in, hopefully give you all step by step so you know how to do it too on your own car. They're super cheap. They're like 20 bucks. Thank you, Modifry, for sending them out so quickly. All right. Sorry, y'all. I had to do a quick little intermission, and I had to read the instructions. Typically, I'm not an instruction reading guy, especially when I was a little kid and y'all did Legos. I'm sure you did the same thing. You just kind of slap them together, and then you got a bunch of extra pieces. We didn't want that, so I read the instructions. Now, let's head out to the car. Let's go. Come on. We got to get the scissors. So one of the most notorious issues with the S2000 is the soft top. So right here I'm holding the modifry soft top fix. What these things are basically, it looks like straps with, I don't know if you guys can see this, with like a staple in here, but this staple goes into the top somehow, and we're going to replace the torn and old dilapidated straps that are currently in there, and then it should help it fold back a little bit better. In addition, I've just kind of had nonstop issues with this car lately. I had the lug nuts coming loose on the wheels. I need to get new tires put on it. I had squealing brakes. I had to get the head rebuilt. Secondary air injection code that I had to fix. I mean, it's just kind of endless. It's an old car, so I guess it's part of it. It's a 2002, I believe, so what, 21 years old. So it's obviously understandable that it's going to run into some issues, but I promise you guys I am going to try to get you some more content. So let's hop in this thing and let's look over what this issue has in store for us today. Oof, those bloody guts are just sexy. This is all custom interior. Believe it or not, this is actually the stock seats. Everyone always wants to know that. If I replace the seats, these are actually just the bone stock OEM interior, and I just recovered it and then got a lot of carbon in here. I actually put some seat heaters mounted in there as well. But here's those straps I was talking about. As you guys can tell, I don't know if you can see in the video, but they are, yeah, pretty much toast. So we're gonna need to get these puppies fixed on both sides and catch up with y'all in just a second. I don't know how well y'all can see this, but look at this. It's like fully split into pieces. I mean, it's just crap. But it's like riveted in right here, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. All right, y'all, so the instructions call for grabbing some blunt tip scissors. I have no idea what blunt tip scissors are, so we're gonna use these. I mean, can y'all see? Looks like a blunt tip to me. I guess it's not a sharpened tip, but we're gonna use these scissors. We're gonna go cut the straps out of the current top, and then we're gonna go ahead and start pinning these in. They actually pin into the rivets, so do not pull the rivets out. I thought that was kind of cool. I thought you would have to pull them out, but you actually don't. So I'm gonna prop the camera up here on the truck. Yep. And let's hop in the S2000. We got to lift the top halfway to get it a little past vertical, and then let's get to work. God, it's hot in here. We're gonna let the car run for just a second because I don't know, it hasn't ran in a while and I want to burn some gas through it. So check it out, y'all. There's that red interior in the sun, and here you go. You can see this is the what I was talking about. So look at this. I mean, man, we don't even need scissors. It's just barely hanging on. This is literally hanging on by a thread, no pun intended. I mean, look at that. It is just trying to get y'all some different angles because I think it's hard to see, but this is just crap. So I believe we need to, might not even need to cut. Look at this. Just probably, oh God, nasty. All right, car's warmed up now. Let's get y'all a tiny little sound clip of how good this S2000 sounds. It's a good thing Bella's not home. She hates when I rev up the cars. Oops. All right, y'all. Let's grab these scissors and let's cut the straps out. All right, y'all. Unfortunately, I only have 2 hands, so y'all got to bear with me, but I went ahead and I cut the strap you see right here. I cut it right behind the rivets. There's those rivet holes. Here's the garbage strap, and then we need to cut it off back in here, and then we'll start installing the new straps. So let me cut the back of it now real quick. Look at this. This is absolute garbage. Y'all see that? Out with the old and in with the new. So if you need to install Modifry Product Soft Top Fix, if this is what yours looks like, go ahead and get you a pair of these. Now let's go ahead and let's get them in. So it said start with it. Damn it, we're gonna have to go back to the instructions. All right, how it works, blah, 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 blah. Lower the top, we did that. Cut out the old straps, we did that. Hold one modifry strap so the pin closest to the edge of the strap is towards the center of the car. All right. So here's the pins. Take this one closer to the middle of the car. Now we need to go over here. Y'all gotta figure out how this thing goes in here. I think you gotta loop it to the center of the car, up and around like this, and then it pulls over the top like this. So I think you gotta put it over, put the pins in, wrap it around, and then pull it over, okay? All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and I'll show y'all this. So here's the strap in here. So it's a little hard to see, but you reach under here, you push the pins in. They just kind of go right in the rivet hole, pretty self-explanatory. Then I think you wrap it over the top like that, and then you pull. So now here we are. We've got our strap right here, and then we need to just get into that rivet hole right there. Woo! All right, we got one strap in. So honestly, the directions were pretty self-explanatory, guys. And it was honestly a lot easier than I thought. I've been pushing this off for like 2 years. Year and a half, probably since I got the car. Because honestly, I'm just too lazy and I thought it was gonna be a ton of work, and clearly it wasn't. So let's test the one strap and then we'll do the other one. All right, I'm gonna be quite frank with y'all. It is not working. I just smashed my hand on the mirror. Oh, it's hot and sweaty too. It's not working, I don't know why. This bar like goes back and forth. So we're gonna actually do the other strap and then, I don't know, we'll see if it works after that. But for right now, it's not working. So I'll catch up with y'all in 2 seconds. You can see we've got the straps in. I mean, they seem good, to be honest. They really do, but it's still not operating correctly. I've got this one on too. You guys can kind of see, but I still can't get it to go right. So watch. See right here, it starts getting tight. Whack. And then watch. This is binding on here, so that's not right. I mean, yeah, I can lift it, but, and then watch it come up. Like, that can't be right. This needs to go. Whoop. All right, y'all, here we go. So look, drop the clip here, drop your clip here, and then you start to pull it back, and see, that just can't be right. That cannot be right. There's no way I have to do this by hand every time, and then let it go down, and then it comes back up, and you have to bring this over by hand. It needs to like stay right there, because then, yeah, y'all, I have no idea, to be honest. Sorry. Kind of like worst how-to ever. I mean, we got the straps on, but they don't work right, so hopefully we'll get this fixed here in just a second. I am absolutely covered in sweat. It is so hot out here. It's getting to be summer in Texas, but I can't figure this out for the life of me. So the strap looks good. The structural rigidity, I guess you could say, looks really nice. I tried to grab the little Allen key, and I don't know if y'all can see this, but tighten up this little bolt right here to see if that was the problem, why this is flipping back, and it wasn't. So I mean, y'all can see it looks really nice. Like, this is great out here. So maybe we'll just leave it closed for the time being in hopes that it will stretch it out a little bit, I guess break it in, and then next time we use it, it will work well and, you know, go back and forth properly. But, you know, without further ado, I don't know what else to do to fix it, but that is how you install the Modifry Products soft top fix kit straps. Wow, that is such a tongue twister. But guys, thank you so much for tuning into the channel. Press that subscribe button. We'll get you some more S2000 content soon. But until next time, we appreciate you, and we'll catch up with you on the next vlog.